Wanted to bring you downtown a little bit. Down here trying to get Wi-Fi, so figure why not show you what the Malecon, which is sort of the, you know, the riverfront of the town, is like. It's a pretty cool spot, very chill, you know, nothing much to it, just very relaxed. Very, very nice vibe down here. So this is the main beachfront area with all the little restaurants and vendors. We're gonna try and find some tacos, but not down here. 75, sunny. It's about 10 a.m. There's the taco factory right there, but I want to take you out of the downtown hustle and bustle down here. Just wanted to give you a quick look right at the downtown area of San Felipe. I really like this little town. I'm hungry. Let's go find some tacos. So this is more my style right here. ¿Cómo se llama?
Macapul.
Macapul es el maestro.
Tacos Macapul.
He's the master of the tacos. So what he's got going on over here is some.
Con los tacos el mejor sabor en el puerto de San Felipe.
No, aquí es mejor. That guy said the best tacos are down there at the riverfront. I said no way. But he's got this. Look at that right there. That's lips. Es beef, es vaca.
Beef, de vaca.
It's beef and yeah, that's it. But it's like lips and cheeks and regular, just regular meat. It's mixed out. That's mixed. What I got over here is I got one of each. I want to taste one of each. So I got with a little side fixings here, and he was kind enough to give Brady his own bowl. He already dogged that. That was a full bowl of the skin. ¿Cuánto es cada taco? 30 pesos. It's about $1.50 per taco. And these guys have been here for a really long time. I got out of the truck right here. I was like, what do you guys think?
It's our 4th year coming here.
4th year. They said they come here all the time. That was good enough for me.
Best birria in town.
Best beer in town.
Best beer in town.
Birria.
Birria.
What is that?
That was the stew that we were eating.
That's the specialty. This is it comes in the bowl. It's like a beef stew.
It's like the meat that's in your tacos, but in like a stew with broth,
Oh.
cabbage and onions and cilantro.
Oh, I want that too.
Try that out too, man.
Yeah.
You can get a half order. You don't have to get the whole order.
Okay.
You get a half.
Dame también un poquito de ese stew que estaban a comer ahí, pero solo metade. Medio. It's a little shack here. Look at this. Look at this place. Look at this handmade tortillas. Look at this right here. I mean, where do you see this? Look at this love right here. Look at this. Boom, boom, done. We don't need machines here. Look at that. Fresh. So let me get to my tacos. And I ordered a stew too. They recommended the stew, so that's what I'm doing. So this is the soup, like the stew. Basically what's in the tacos, but in a bowl. And oh, they give you some fresh tortillas too. Look at this. Look at all these tortillas right here. I'm not gonna eat all this. Look at that, still the smoke's coming out of them. This is why the little spots are always the best. Right here. Here we go. Oh my God, that's so freaking good. Mmm. Delicate and fresh. $1.50. The stew has a sweetness to it. It tastes much different than the tacos. Better, actually. So that's the house special. I'm so glad I got it, but I could have just gotten one of these large ones instead of the tacos. But I wanted to try the tacos, and the fish tacos are gonna have to wait till next time. They don't have them here. You didn't see me eat the one that's lips and cheek and all the other parts of the cow because it was so darn good. I nearly ate it all so fast. Without question, better than the other one that I had. Delicate, fatty, but light. When you add the little bit of cabbage and cilantro with onion and a little lime, it just cuts through the fat, and that juxtapose is just fantastic. Absolutely delicious taco. Okay, okay. Go ahead, babe. Brady approves.